Memang ngasi di akoi pasta sabsa ni chef. Jadi mie dan sana ko. Koi Doris की दुकान में हांगे वो ये सी इंसान नाती भी के
We are going to make homemade ribbon pasta, and we have all these ingredients. So we are going to use one by one. So you want me to do that, or you will?
No, you are going to do. I'm just going to watch.
Mainly, we are not going to put anything much. We have flour. We are going to put egg, little bit of oil, and salt, and water only.
Okay.
For now, this is the only thing we are going to add.
Okay.
For later, we are going to add chilies,
Okay.
garlic, prawns, lemon, and salt. That's it.
Okay.
A little bit of oil. Little bit of salt. Little bit of oil. 2 eggs. That's it. So you have to mix it. Okay.
Where inside only.
Yeah. First we have to mix it because salt. There is a salt, oil, and egg.
How long?
Yeah, that's it. Now
it?
it's already
Okay.
mixed. As you know that we do like that. Slowly.
ये फ्लोर कौन सा है? Normal
This
wheat.
is maida. This is regular maida. You can
Regular.
get any shop in Delhi, Nagaland, Manipur, anywhere you can get
Okay.
this green masses. These things you have to do.
Okay, palm.
Yeah, you have to use your palm. Yeah. I think it's a perfect. If you will, we have to keep it for 30 minutes, and we have to cover it completely. This, and we are going to put this.
Okay.
And we are going to keep it for 30 minutes. These are not the prawns, these are shrimps. So we are going to remove the vein, the dirty part of that.
Okay, that black color.
Yeah, so it's already I have cleaned that. I will show you. You can see these veins.
Oh.
We have to remove all these.
Where is that? Oh, veins.
Yeah, these,
There is a blood or what?
Yeah. No. This is the intestine. Just like
Intestine,
that.
okay.
All the dirt and everything you can see.
Okay.
So we have to remove this.
ที่บงชิ้นเราทุกไปวันนี้นะยำเบอร์
So mainly we do this. So it's very easy. You have to just smash it, and you have to. Mainly this pasta is flavored with garlic, chili, and olive oil. That's it.
Okay.
We are done with prawn. And we have
More
already
like that?
salt. We have already.
จะนำอะไรนะ
Yeah.
shrimp อะไรนะ
So no.
ทุ่ม
no.
ที่แก่ oil
Yeah, this is oil.
now it's time for
Lemon. So the air will go out
okay
after doing this also.
oh air is there inside or what
Yeah, it's always air inside this, so we have to remove this. So I think it's enough.
okay
So it's on us how big we want. I think we will cut it in 4 pieces. Okay.
4 pieces
Yeah. So we have to cover it. Remember, whenever we want to do anything, we have to cover it completely.
okay
If we will not cover it, will get dry.
oh
So we have to.
moisture
Yeah, we have to.
maintain the moisture
Yeah.
now I'll do we have to put more this one
Yeah.
last time I made for making this puri na I tried last time
This is just like.
I did it with the drumstick
Okay. Last time I made paratha, I used that wine bottle.
you don't have any cough or fever
There is nothing. I'm okay.
okay
So I think we are ready. Okay. So after that, it's very easy, and we have to cut like this.
okay
In ancient China, they used to make noodles like that. So
I see sometime in the YouTube also.
it's very easy. Okay. Means you have to just boil it and you have to toss it. That's it. Little bit of flour and you have to do that so that it will not stick.
Okay.
So So you can keep aside. Okay, so we are going to put inside this. So I think this is enough for now. So we are going to
How much time you have to keep?
almost, I think, 1 minute or
1 minute.
2 minutes. It's on
Okay.
you. What is the thickness of your pasta?
Maggi minute.
Yeah, we can put little bit of oil. So putting oil is good. It will not stick. The pasta is almost
Cook.
cooked, but I want to keep it for more time. Yeah, so almost the pasta is floating now, right?
Mhm.
So you will know that your pasta is done now.
Okay.
So I think the pasta is done. Same time we have to put in that cold water.
Cold water.
Yeah.
Chill water or what?
Yeah, if you want to.
Normal or chill?
Yeah, not chill water is good.
Hoigi pasta do ising aing bada ting bado. Okay, what is the name of this pasta?
Mainly this is AOP pasta, you can say.
AOP.
Yeah.
What's the full form?
This is mainly alla olio peperoncino.
Okay.
People say this
Okay.
different styles.
Mhm,
But we say alla olio peperoncino. It
Okay.
means olive oil,
Okay.
garlic,
Okay.
and
Chili.
Chili. That's
Okay.
it. So, okay.
You are going to do it again or what?
No.
Oh, okay. You are going to take it
We
out.
have to, yeah. So that's the water.
Ising mi sum thok kre. Tôi Maggi cham. Chok chok cham.
You should do this, but it's little bit of oil.
Oil.
Again. So
Olive. This one is olive
yeah,
oil, no?
the more oil will you put, the more it will be nice. So now it will not stick.
시작해. Moro, tum, cow, shrimp.
So we are going to put some oil. We are going to put.
This one.
Yeah, we
Can I
can
put? Oh, you just tell me when to put.
Okay. So when given a little bit of color, so we can put, because prawns we have to put in high flame.
High flame. Should I put
Yeah,
now?
at once you can.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
Do full intensity.
Yeah. For the color, we are going to add some butter.
Butter.
Yeah.
Oh, butter gives color or what?
Yeah. So this much of butter is good. So this is a cheating, means this is not original then.
Okay.
But this is my version of pasta.
They doesn't put the butter
Yeah.
actually. Okay.
Mainly Italian don't put butter.
Okay.
And French don't eat olive oil.
Okay.
So this is
Oh, you just mix.
we just mix. Yes. So I think it's done now. Because prawns are very easy to cook. Okay.
Okay.
This
Oh.
if you want to have more color, you can eat this much chili also.
Okay.
Salt. You should know how much salt you need, but I think this is enough
That was fine. That was fine.
because we already put some.
Pasta option बताएं.
So this is the pasta time.
Oh shit. Oh.
Look at the color.
This is good.
We are going to put little bit of lemon.
On top.
Yeah, little bit. Not much.
Ada apa lagi? Sudah habis ya? Shrimp guac and chili and coriander and garlic. Haweng fastest.
Yeah. You have to eat it as soon as possible. Okay.
Very nice.
It's really nice. It's really easy to make. You don't need much things.
How well?
You're just putting 3 ingredients: chili, garlic, olive oil. That's it.
Chili, garlic, and olive oil.
And yeah, you can add prawns, mushrooms, meat, chicken, pork, anything you can eat.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very simple.
Description માં મારી ચેનલ નું આપોંગે. અતાડી.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hello friends. So I'm going to eat 2x spicy noodle. This is the spiciest Korean noodle in the world, and I'm going to use all these vegetables along with this. And let's see. My friend told me that it's a very spicy noodle. So I'm going to put 1 spoon of oil, as I need to saute vegetables. So before that, I'm going to fix the temperature of this hot pot.